everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with Lily and John. I'm Lily.
And I'm John. Today we have a super exciting episode for all English learners. We're talking about American slangs.
That's right. Slang is how Americans really talk with friends, at school, work, and even online.
If you want your English to sound natural and casual, today's episode is perfect for you.
And don't worry, we'll make it super easy to understand with fun examples, jokes, and mini stories.
Plus, at the end, you'll have tips to remember slang words and use them confidently.
So grab a notebook, get comfy, and let's jump right in.
Part 1. Common everyday slangs. Let's start with a classic, cool.
Cool is everywhere in America. It means awesome, great, or good. For example, that movie was so cool.
And sometimes it's just a short way to agree casually, like, I finished my homework. Cool.
You can even use it for situations. I got a new phone today. Cool, what kind?
Another common slang is hang out, meaning spend time casually with friends.
For example, do you want to hang out at the mall? Or we're just hanging out at my place.
Here's a funny example. Last week, I called my friend and said, let's hang out at the park.
And?
He said, I'm busy, but I'll hang out with my cat instead.
That's a bummer. Speaking of which, bummer is another slang for disappointment.
Exactly. Like, I lost my wallet today. Oh, that's a bummer.
And it doesn't have to be serious. Minor disappointments count too. I dropped my ice cream. Bummer.
Here's a mini story. Yesterday, I wanted to eat pizza, but the shop was closed. I said, bummer, and went home.
That's how we use everyday slangs in real life.
Part 2. Fun slangs for everyday life. Next, let's talk about chill.
Chill can mean relax or calm down, like, let's just chill and watch a movie tonight.
Or if someone is stressed, hey, chill, everything will be fine.
Another useful one is no worries, meaning it's okay or don't worry.
For example, sorry I'm late, no worries.
And if something is easy, Americans say, piece of cake.
The English test was a piece of cake.
I have a mini story. I tried baking for the first time. I thought it would be hard, but it was a piece of cake.
Another fun slang is awesome. It's just like cool, but a little more enthusiastic.
Like, I got tickets to a concert. Awesome!
And sometimes we exaggerate for fun. You baked a cake? Awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce is another casual slang. You see, Americans love adding small, fun words.
Part 3. Social media and text slangs. Many slangs today come from texting and social media. For example, OMG, short for oh my god.
OMG, I can't believe this. You'll hear this in texts, chats, and even spoken English.
Then there's LOL, meaning laugh out loud. That joke was so funny, LOL.
Or BTW, which means by the way.
And FYI, for your information, FYI, the movie starts at 7 p.m.
Another popular one is IDK, short for I don't know.
Or BRB, meaning be right back in chats.
Here's a funny example. I was texting my friend, BRB, OMG, this cat video is hilarious, LOL.
See, slangs are all about expressing feelings quickly.
Part 4. Friendly conversations and phrases. Want to sound casual with friends? Start with, what's up?
It's like saying, how are you, but very informal.
Common answers are, not much, just chilling, or same old, same old.
Another fun one is you bet, meaning absolutely or of course.
Can you help me with this homework? You bet.
Then there's no way, used to show surprise or disbelief.
I won the lottery. No way. That's amazing.
For approval, Americans say sweet or awesome.
Here's a mini dialogue.
I got front row tickets to the concert.
No way. Sweet. Who are we going with?
Slangs make conversations more lively and fun. Part 5. Slangs for shopping, food, and fun. If you're shopping or eating, you'll hear grab.
Let's grab some coffee means get something quickly.
Another one is yum, used when food tastes good.
Yum, this pizza is so yummy.
And a casual fun phrase is cool beans, meaning great.
We're meeting at 7 p.m. Cool beans.
Also, when something is very impressive, Americans say epic.
That skateboard trick was epic.
And sometimes we combine slangs. Epic, sweet, cool beans. Part 6. Quick tips to remember slangs. To remember slang, practice daily conversations. Use one slang per day.
Watch American movies, shows, and YouTube videos. Listen how they use slang naturally.
And don't worry about mistakes. Slang is casual, fun, and flexible.
You can also write short stories or dialogues using slang. It makes learning interactive and easy to remember. That's it for today. We covered so many American slangs, from cool, hang out, chill, OMG, LOL, to sweet, grab, yum, epic.
Start using these in your daily conversations, and you'll sound more natural in English.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing and have fun with English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Stay cool and keep learning.